Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to unsubscribe from ESPN Unlimited if that's something you're interested in doing. In our web browser, we're going to head on over to espn.com/watch, and I'll link that down in the video description so you can access this page. But what you want to do from here is go into the upper right-hand corner and click on where it says My Account after hovering over your little profile icon up here. So again, clicking Account. And if you're not already logged in, you're going to be prompted to do so. Of course, you're going to be logging in using your My Disney login credentials so that we can access the information that's related to our ESPN Unlimited subscription. Once you're logged in your account information area, you want to find where it says Your Plan and click on the subscription that you have to open up the details about that. Then from here, you have different options to change your subscription. You can change your payment method. It's going to show you the next time that you're going to be charged. But if you'd like to cancel, we have that option here at the bottom where it says Cancel Subscription. So we're going to click on that. Then it might give you an offer to continue subscribing at a lower price. But if you're not interested in that, we can go ahead and click where it says Continue to Cancel. And then once again, clicking on where it says Cancel Subscription. That's going to bring you over to a page where it confirms that you have canceled your subscription. You're going to be able to continue to watch your ESPN subscription until the end of your current billing cycle. And if you change your mind, you can always restart your subscription at any time. And if you ever want to resubscribe, it's pretty simple. You just go here to the upper right-hand corner, hover over your icon, and then click on where it says Account. And right here at the top, it says that you have canceled your plan, but if you want to restart your subscription, you can do so by clicking right here where it says Restart Subscription. But that's going to wrap this one up. I hope this video was helpful walking you through the steps on how to cancel or unsubscribe to ESPN Unlimited. I appreciate you guys stopping by and consider subscribing for more content in the future.